Hello everyone, I am Ruchi Rathod and I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to discuss with you all the electronics topic, that is basic gates. In my one of the video of logic gates, I have explained you different types of logic gates. We have discussed with you all that is there is a three kind of logic gates: basic gates, universal gates and the derived gates. So in this video we will talk about the basic gates, okay, and then in next video we will talk about the universal gate. So here, as we know that basic gates, it is classified into three types: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. Okay, we know that basic gates, it is classified into three types: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. So these three we will discuss in this video. Okay, so the first is AND gate. So first of all, AND gate, it can have two or more than two inputs. Okay, it can have two or more than two inputs but only one output. That means what? That means AND gate can have n number of inputs. Okay, and the second important thing is AND operation, it represents a logical multiplication. Okay, it represents a logical multiplication. Now first we will see the statement here, then I'll teach you how to remember this statement from the truth table. Okay, this is very simple statement. Okay, so the statement is like of the AND gate is the output Y of AND gate is high, or it is logical one only when input A and input B are both 1 or both high simultaneously. Okay, that means what? The output of AND gate will be high or it will be logical one if and only if all the inputs are high. Otherwise it will produce as a output low. Okay, so here the first we will see about the Boolean expression. Okay, so here Boolean expression of AND gate is like this. Okay, so here to connect the variables in AND gate, we will write in between dot. This dot represents the AND gate. ठीक है, ये जो डॉट है ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? AND गेट के लिए. ओके, सो AND गेट बूलियन एक्सप्रेशन वी विल राइट लाइक दिस. Clear? Y is equals to A dot B. A dot B, this is the Boolean expression for two input AND gate. Okay, for example, if we have the three input, then we will write A dot B dot C, which is equals to Y. Okay, similarly we can write the Boolean expression for n number of input. As I told you that AND gate can have n number of inputs but it will have only one output. Okay, so this is the about the definition of the AND gate, and we have seen the some important point about the AND gate, and here we have discussed about the Boolean expression of AND gate. Now we will see the logical diagram of the AND gate. Okay, so first of all, AND gate, if you see the symbol of AND gate, it looks like a D shape. ठीक है, इसका जो सिंबल है ये एक डी शेप में दिखेगा आपको. क्लियर है? सो इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द टू इनपुट AND gate, that means here two terminal will come for a input, and here I have given name as A to first input and B to second input. Clear? And here there is a output. Okay, at this terminal, here it is output, I have written Y to represent the output. So at the output we will get the expression like A, the first one, and B, it will be joined by putting a dot in between. Okay, so this is the output for two input AND gate. Okay, so similarly we can write for n number of input. For example, if we want to make this diagram for a 3 input, so what we can do here, 3 terminal will come simply. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 like this. That is, we can give the name A, B, here C, and from here we will get output terminal Y, and it looks like A dot B dot C. Okay, so we can do for the n number of inputs. So here we have done with the logical symbol. Now we will see the truth table of the AND gate. Okay, so truth table of AND gate, as I told you that here we are talking about the two inputs AND gate. Okay, two inputs AND gate means how many inputs will come? Two. Then that means two column will come in the input, one for A, other for B. A is the first input, B is the second input, and one more column will come for the output, that is Y, which is equals to A dot B. Okay, now many of the students having confusion from where we got these combinations of 0 and 1. That means how many combinations we should take for 2 input, 3 input. So just remember that. See this formula, 2 raised to n. Okay, 2 raised to n, here n is what? N represents the number of inputs present. N means what? Number of inputs present. कितने नंबर ऑफ इनपुट्स प्रेजेंट है. तो अगर हम ये डायग्राम की बात करते हैं, ये टू इनपुट एंड गेट की, तो वी कैन सी क्लियरली हियर टू इनपुट्स आर देयर. ओके, सो दैट मीन्स फॉर दिस केस एन विल बी 2. So that means here we'll get 2 raised to 2, and 2 raised to 2 is what? It is 4. So here we will get 4 combinations of 0 and 1. So here first combination, second combination, third combination and fourth combination of 0 and 1 we have got for the input A and B. Similarly, if we have 3 inputs, so how many combination will get? Simply 2 raised to 3, because now n will be 3. So 2 raised to 3 is 8. So now we will have 8 combination of 0 and 1s. 3 inputs, that means now we will have 3 variable in the input, and now 3 column will come, one for A, one for B. If we draw like this, so input we will get 3 columns, one for A, second for B, and third for C, and then we will write the 8 combinations of 0 and 1. Okay, so similarly we can do for the n number of inputs. Okay, now I hope nobody having the confusion of writing the combinations in the input. So now we will talk about this. So here the first combinations, that is 0 0. A is 0, B is 0. Then what happened with the output? And if A is 0 and B is 1, then what will happen? And if both the inputs are high, then what will happen? So earlier already I have discussed with you all the statement of AND gate. The statement of AND gate is, if all the inputs are high, then output of AND gate becomes high. Okay, then output of AND gate becomes high. But if any one of the input is 0, or both the inputs are 0, see here B is 0. In this case, if you see A is 0, in this case, if you see both are 0. If any one of the input is 0, that is low, or both the inputs are low, the output of AND gate becomes low, that is logical 0. So once again, from this truth table, easily you can remember the statement of the AND gate. So the statement is like, see, it is very simple. If all the inputs are high, or you can say if A is 1, B is 1, the output of AND gate becomes high, that is logical 1. And if any one of the inputs are low, or both the inputs are low, then the output of AND gate becomes low. I hope now it is very clear to you. Okay, so here we have discussed with you all the AND gate statement. We have done the Boolean expression of AND gate. We have done the logical symbol of AND gate, and then last we have done the truth table. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, so now we will move to our next type of basic gates, that is OR gate. It is also very simple. In OR gate also we can have n number of input, okay, but only one output. And AND gate, it represents the logical addition. It represents the logical addition, and its statement is like, the output Y is 1 or high when either input A or B or both are high. That means what? It will produce the output high only if one input is high or all the inputs are high, then only we will get output is high. Otherwise output we will get low output. Okay, and its Boolean expression is Y, which is equals to A plus B. So here to join the variables we will write in between plus. Plus represents the OR. For example, we have 3 inputs. That means if we are doing for the 3 input OR gate, then we can write the logical expression like this: y which is equals to a plus b plus c. Like this we can write. Okay, similarly we can write for the n number of inputs. Okay, now we will see the logical symbol of the OR gate. So OR gate, we have this kind of logical symbol, and this is the logical symbol for the 2 input OR gate. 2 input OR gate, that means in the input we will have 2 terminals. Okay, here first input is A, second input is B, and here it is a output terminal. Okay, and output we have got A plus B. Okay, here we will write this sign, plus sign, which represents the, here in Boolean algebra it represents the OR. Okay, so A plus B, that is A or B, will write like this. We will read like this: A or B. Okay, so I hope you have understood up to this. Now we will see the truth table of OR gate. So as I discussed with you all, that the truth table or OR gate will be, that means statement of OR gate is, if any one of the input is high, so here B is high, here A is high, or both the inputs are high. Okay, or you can say if all the inputs are high, we'll get output is high, otherwise we will get output low. That means if we have both the low values in the input, we will get output is low. So I hope now it is clear to all. Okay, so here we have done with the AND gate and OR gate. Now we will do with the NOT gate. It is very, very simple. NOT gate is a very simple. Okay, NOT gate we will discuss here. So NOT gate, in this we have 1 input and 1 output. Okay, that means what? See, previously we have discussed with the AND gate and OR gate. AND gate and OR gate can have n number of input, but remember this, when we are talking about NOT gate, that means this time we have only 1 input and 1 output in the case of NOT gate. And this is why NOT gate is known as the inverter. Now why we are saying NOT gate is an inverter? Because see, first we will talk about the logical symbol of this. Okay, see here, this is the logical symbol of the NOR gate. Okay, here we can see there is a bubble over here. Okay, एक सर्कल दिख रहा है यहाँ पे, जिसको हम बोलते हैं बबल. दिस रिप्रेजेंट्स दी इन्वर्जन. ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? इन्वर्जन रिप्रेजेंट करता है. दिस बबल रिप्रेजेंट्स दी इन्वर्जन. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? सी, as I told you, NOT gate will have 1 input and there will be 1 output. That means what? Whatever you will give input here. ठीक है, for example यहाँ पे A को मैंने दे दिया 1. ठीक है, so now here we have got the 1 in the input of this NOT gate. So now because of this inversion sign, this 1 will be converted. Now it will becomes 0. Okay, so if we are giving the input 1, so because of this inversion we will get output low, and if the input is low, then we will get output high. Okay, this is the reason we are saying not as a inverter, NOT gate as a inverter. See here, if we talk about the logical expression or Boolean expression, so here if we have the input A, then output, as we know that we are getting the opposite. That is, if we have input 1, we are getting output 0, means exact inverted form we are getting. Okay, so here that we will represent in the expression like the bar over here, and this bar we will call it complement. इसको हम बार नहीं बोलेंगे यहाँ पे. when we talking about the Boolean algebra जब हम बात करते हैं तो इसको बार नहीं बोलेंगे, इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? complement. So here if we have in input A, so output we will get complement of A. So now I hope it is clear to you. So the Boolean expression of this NOT gate is y which is equals to A complement. That means complement of A, this we will get. So as I told you, if the input is 0, output we will get 1. If the input is 1, output we will get 0. That is exactly inverted form we will get. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So once again I'll repeat the things. In AND gate, if all the inputs are high, then output becomes high, and if any one of the inputs is low, then output of AND gate we will get low. Okay, in OR gate, if any one of the input is high or all the inputs are high, we'll get output high. Otherwise, we will get output low. In NOT gate, we will get inverted form. If we have input 1, we'll get output 0, that is low. If we have input high, then output we will get low, and we have low input, then we will get output high. Means like this we will inverted form we will get. So I hope you have understood AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. These are the basic types of gates. Logic gates के basic types है. ओके अब आपसे किसी ने पूछा बेसिक टाइप्स क्या होते हैं, तो एंड गेट, ऑर गेट एंड नॉट गेट. आई होप ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी क्लियर टू यू. ठीक है, बट स्टिल अगर आपको डाउट है, सो यू कैन आस्क मी योर डाउट्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स. ओके, बट इफ यू हैव understood this video, so please like my video, subscribe my channel, share this video and also comment, give your feedback. Okay, thank you.